How to fix Messenger waiting for network error problem. If you are facing this kind of network problem where the Messenger app is not working properly, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Messenger app. To do so, you can open your App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the Messenger app. If you see an update option available, then click on it to update your app. If there are no updates available, then go back to your home page and open Settings. In Settings, go to your Wi-Fi option. Here, make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then click on Forget this network and re-add the same network or a different one. Now go back to your previous page. Roll down your notification bar and tap and hold on the top left section. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now again, go back to Settings. Go to the option General and tap on Software Update. Look for any software updates that may be available for your device. Now again, go back and tap on iPhone Storage. In iPhone Storage, go to Messenger app and tap on Offload app. This way, all the unnecessary data for Messenger will be deleted. When you have done this, then go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.